What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So this is Clarence once again. So this will be a short video on how to deep cleanse your dreadlocks. This is actually my first time to deep cleanse my dreadlocks. So as you can see, I recently retwisted my dreadlocks like 3 weeks ago. And then my dreadlock artist suggested that I need to deep cleanse my dreadlocks since it has been made almost 2 years ago. So in a span of almost 2 years, your hair will accumulate dirt and dust and everything. So it's just timely as now that we will be deep cleansing the dreadlocks. If you touch the dreadlocks, you will feel that it's a bit sticky at times. So that's an indication that oils and dirt and dust have infiltrated your dreads. So we'll start by checking on what we need. Okay, so here are the ingredients. There you go. As you can see, here are the ingredients on what you will use to deep cleanse your dreadlocks. So first, you're gonna need a basin of warm water. Warm water, okay, not hot water. Lukewarm will be fine as long as it's not cold water. And then you're gonna need apple cider vinegar. Any brand will do. You're gonna need a lemon. So some deep cleansers use lemon juice. I think that will do as well, but I tend to use a real lemon to squeeze it. And then we're gonna use baking soda and an essential oil. Any flavor of essential oil, any scent of essential oil will do. So on other deep cleanse videos I've seen, they include salt water or sea salt. But since I do not have salt water, my dreadlock artist says it's better to just deep cleanse my dreadlocks on normal water than water mixed with salt. If you will be using sea salt, if you will be using salt water, it's better that you use the real salt water from the sea. So that's it. So let's go, let's do it. The first thing I'm gonna do is to remove all my beads, of course. So after 2 years, this will be the first time I'm gonna deep cleanse my dreadlocks. If you will see my dreadlock journey, this dreadlock started like an inch short, you know. And then after almost 2 years, it's almost on my shoulders. So now we will make the deep cleanse formula. Good thing I have these measuring tablespoon and teaspoon. These are accurate because this is just for baking. So on this basin, we will put 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Sorry, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then squeeze half a lemon. Then 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Lastly, some droplets of any essential oil you want to use. Okay, let's go, let's mix it up. Now that the formula is complete, my dreadlock artist advised that deep cleansing will take approximately 1 hour. Make sure all your dreadlocks I mean all the parts of your hair are dipped into the formula for deep cleansing. Okay, so after an hour, it's time to get up and rinse my hair with water. Make sure you rinse it thoroughly so that any smell of the apple cider vinegar or residue of the baking soda will be removed. And so let's find out what happened. So there you go. I can still smell some menthol on my hair. I think that's because of the essential oil. Well, I think I feel that it's a little bit lighter, and I forgot to show you, but after the thorough cleansing, the water on the solution we made, the deep cleansing solution we made earlier changed its color to a dark one, which means all the dirt and the dust and residues or whatever was absorbed by the water, or it was cleansed out. So as you can see, the feel is it's much lighter, and before my hair was a bit stickier. It's like some oils are there, but right now I can't feel any sticky. I can't feel any sticky oil or liquid on my hair or something. The deep cleansing is not regularly done, so there's actually no time requirement on when you will do this. Maybe when you feel like doing to, or you think that your hair has accumulated enough dust and dirt, then you can try to deep cleanse. So that's it. That's basically the video. It's just a short video. I hope this helped, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Those of you who are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click like, and you can also click the bell to notify if there's any new videos on our channel. So thank you very much. This is Ren Salikin signing out.